No one cares about more coaching calls anymore. Here is what to do instead. So for years, the answer to my members are stuck was to add another Q&A call, add a hot seat, add an office hours, add implementation sessions. And I get it. Those are working for some members to a certain extent. And they used to work really well until they didn't. So here is what works right now and why. People want instant support. It's a reality. We have to work with that. Because when people get stuck and they don't have that instant support, they don't wait for the next call anymore. And the programs that are winning right now and thriving are the ones that have understood that and have started to add another layer of support to their membership or their coaching program that is available 24/7. And that is using the power of AI, the good kind of AI with the right tools that actually train on your method. And if you're a coach, train on how to coach people through a strike point. One of my clients I was sharing, in an earlier video is now up to over 6,500 conversation with the AI assistant. That's 6,500 conversation that probably would have never happened on a Q&A call. Because now there is live, people are busy. Even if they say, they RSVP to a call, they don't show up. We know that, we see that everywhere. So stop adding calls and start building support that can run without you. That's when your members will actually stick and renew your program. Comment below and tell me how you feel about adding AI to your support system.